From world champions to absolute chaos, how did England's ODI team fall apart so quickly? What went wrong after their 2023 World Cup defense? Let's break it down. England's one-day international cricket team was once the gold standard of white ball cricket. They revolutionized the game with their aggressive, fearless approach, winning the 2019 World Cup in a dramatic final. But fast forward to 2023, and everything has changed. England's title defense India was a disaster, early exit, embarrassing defeats, and a team that looked completely lost. So what happened? How did England go from being the kings of ODI cricket to a side struggling to stay relevant? England entered 2023 ODI World Cup as defending champions, but were completely outplayed. Heavy losses against South Africa, Sri Lanka, and even Afghanistan exposed serious weakness. Lack of intent, poor squad selection, and questionable tactics were on full display. Their batting, once their biggest strength, collapsed multiple times under pressure. Bowlers failed to adapt to subcontinent conditions, leaking runs at the crucial moments. England relied on their aging core players like Joe Root, Josh Buttler, Ben Stokes, and Johnny Bairstow, who had been brilliant in the past but struggled to maintain their dominance. The team overlooked fresh talents, relying on past heroes rather than investing in the future. Several selections raised eyebrows. Where were the younger, informed players? The lack of clear transition plan led to a squad that looked outdated and out of sync. England's white ball revolution was built on aggression, but post-2023, their focus shifted heavily toward T20 cricket. Players prioritized franchise league over bilateral ODI series, leading to inconsistent performances. The ODI format seemed to be sidelined, with England playing fewer matches and failing to deliver a proper structure for the next generation. Without a proper roadmap, England's ODI cricket stagnated, while other teams adapted and evolved. Josh Buttler's captaincy came under fire as England looked uninspired on the field. The team lacked a clear gameplay, and the body language suggests a side that has lost confidence. England have played 23 ODIs since 2023, while they won just 7 matches and lost 16 matches. England's ODI cricket needs a serious reset. Fresh blood, a renewed focus on the format, and better squad management are crucial if they want to compete in future tournaments. Can England bounce back from this downfall, or this is the end of their golden era in ODI cricket? Only time will tell. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cricket insights.